A.O. Smith water heaters use sophisticated gas control valves that serve as the brain of your heating system. These valves have three primary functions: regulating gas flow to the burner, managing the ignition process, and maintaining your desired water temperature. Modern A.O. Smith water heaters feature electronic gas valves with advanced diagnostic capabilities. These electronic valves are more durable than traditional mechanical valves because they have fewer moving parts. The key feature is the LED status indicator that displays error codes to help diagnose problems quickly. Several common issues can occur with gas control valves. The most frequent problems include failure to ignite, where the burner won't start at all, erratic flame behavior, pilot light issues where it won't light or stay lit, and thermal switch tripping due to airflow problems. Adequate combustion air is absolutely critical for proper operation. When airflow is restricted, it can cause the thermal switch to trip, shutting down the system for safety. Always ensure proper ventilation around your water heater and check that air intake vents are clear of obstructions.